Let us introduce to you Chaweng beach in Koh Samui is the most, from what we've read, is the most developed beach where where you can encounter the largest amount of tourists. And it does look
all restaurants, bars and shops.
Yeah. Basically, we faced a bit of a problem in Chaweng, because we were trying to find public access to the beach, and it was pretty much impossible to do because everything is completely built up and there is no access. So
everything was maybe like 2 kilometers shop next to one another.
So we did find an access, but it's some sort of through a bar, but to the beach, so it's okay. So we found it, and let's see how it looks like. Though, also another thing, it looks like a big storm is coming. Yeah, obviously water comes up to here. Whoa. Alright. It is wavy. Oh crap. Welcome to Chaweng Beach in Koh Samui, Thailand.
Hey, it's time again.
Fashion statement for you.
Reusable, no throwaway.
Reusable, but in
look over there. They're gonna rip in an hour or two.
No, honey, I think they will rip in 10 minutes if you're especially driving fast. It's kaput for you. Alright, we are off to find another geocache, and it's raining a little bit, but we'll be fine. Sacred places that geocaching might lead you to. There's a geocache located here. We haven't found it yet, haven't started, but we came from all the way up there, which is only 100 meters down, and we drove all the way here, but through the small streets that we would have never gone to otherwise. So it's pretty cool here. Another stop, another geocache. We didn't find the last one. Boo. Beautiful red temple and a huge banyan tree. Looks old. Interesting temple grounds. Let's see what we will find next.
This is awesome. Snake, or the Golden Snake Temple, or Snake Stone Pagoda, what we see here. According to our geocaching, it says actually that part of Buddha's bones has all been claimed. It's supposed to be in here. Is that the golden snake? I think that's the one. And why is it called the golden snake? Well, according to geocaching, it said that the one who found it found a big yellow snake actually lying here and took this as the idea of creating a temple. More expensive than chicken.
Sell it more expensive than the chicken. I think we're gonna finish for the day today, and we just wanted to show you we found a place. We just had dinner, and that's the view that we got.